Discover the ultimate convenience of automatic gate openers. Designed for security and ease of use, these innovative systems offer seamless access to your property while enhancing safety. From solar-powered options to ultra-quiet models, there's a perfect opener for every type of gate. In this video, we'll explore the best automatic gate opener on the market, highlighting key features, installation tips, and user reviews to help you choose the best automatic gate opener for your home or business. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. ALEKO. As 1200 NOR, our pick for best budget automatic gate opener. Looking for an affordable yet effective gate opener? Look no further than the ALEKO AS1200 NOR. This versatile model stands out in the crowded field of automatic gate openers. With its 24 VDC or 110 VAC motor, you gain flexibility in powering your gate. Unlike others that only use AC, this one offers broader options. Designed for gates up to 10 feet long, it handles weights up to 660 pounds per leaf. That's a total of 20 feet and 1320 pounds. Whether you have a smaller driveway or a larger entry, this opener covers your needs with ease. What won me over? Soft start and soft stop features. They extend the motor's lifespan and ensure smooth operation every time. Plus, you can operate it independently or pair it with a battery pack or solar power. One minor drawback? Installation may require some extra time, especially if you're new to gate systems. However, this ensures a secure setup that enhances performance. You'll appreciate the affordability and quality provided by ALEKO. After extensive use, it remains reliable and efficient. If you're searching for the best budget automatic gate opener, definitely check out the ALEKO AS1200 NOR further. Number 4. CO-Z Automatic Sliding Gate. Opener, our pick for best automatic gate opener for sliding gates. Say goodbye to manual gate struggles. CO-Z Automatic Sliding Gate. Opener redefines convenience with its powerful function. This unit boasts a 280-watt electric motor that handles gates weighing up to 1,400 pounds and stretching 40 feet. With smooth operation at 42 feet per minute, you'll enjoy quick access without hassle. Constructed from solid steel, this opener combines durability with lightweight design. An ABS cover effectively dissipates heat, ensuring dependable performance over time. Many models can't match this quality build. Installation stands out as a breeze. CO-Z includes all necessary tools, making it user-friendly even for novices. Users can enhance functionality with compatible accessories, like driveway alarms. 2 remote controls come with your purchase. You can open your gate from nearly 100 feet away, making it simple to enter and exit. Accommodating up to 25 remotes, it suits larger households or communities beautifully. A highlight includes frequency encryption technology, boosting security. Pairing with infrared sensors, not included, adds automatic rebound features for detecting obstacles. However, consider that sensors aren't bundled with the opener. While this may seem inconvenient, it allows you to select options tailored to your needs. This automatic gate opener excels in both usability and security. Discover how it can transform your property's access today. Still looking for the perfect automatic gate openers to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. JIELI JY7 Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. Our pick for best mid-range automatic gate opener. Looking for a reliable gate opener? JIELI JY7 Automatic Sliding Gate Opener stands out in the mid-range category. This powerhouse features a robust 280-watt AC motor, ensuring durability and superior performance. It effortlessly manages heavy-duty gates, supporting 1,400 pounds and stretching up to 20 feet. Imagine never having to fuss with pesky limit settings again. Thanks to its intuitive controller using Hall components, setup becomes a breeze. Magnets only activate when they align perfectly, keeping you worry-free about misalignment. The side-mounted design minimizes magnetic interference, enhancing stability. Safety is paramount. JIELI includes a built-in thermal protector. This automatically cuts off power when temperatures peak, preventing motor burnout. Plus, Should a power outage occur, a manual clutch allows easy operation. Enjoy control with ease using the remote. Its slide cover protects buttons, reducing accidental activations. You gain a 100-foot range, complete with 4 distinct buttons for opening, closing, and halting actions. Supporting up to 300 remotes implies sharing is hassle-free. 2 chains come standard, totaling nearly 20 feet. Need more? Just grab ANSI number 4, 2 8-sized roller chain sprockets. What I appreciate most is its blend of strength and ease. While a few features could be more user-friendly, you still receive a reliable solution. Dive deeper into this amazing gate opener to see if it suits your needs. Number 2, TOPENS PW502, our pick for best value automatic gate opener. Looking for a reliable automatic gate opener? TOPENS PW502 is your best bet. After extensive testing, this model stands out as the best value on the market. First off, the PW502 boasts 2 powerful 24 VDC motors. These allow it to handle medium-duty dual-swing gates weighing up to 550 pounds or measuring 16 feet per leaf. You'll appreciate the ultra-quiet operation, making access to your property discreet yet efficient. Installation proves easy, even for novices. With just basic tools, anyone can set it up. Plus, the user manual and installation video walk you through the entire process, ensuring you won't get lost along the way. Versatility shines with this opener. You can choose between pull-to-open or push-to-open setups depending on your gate's design and your preferences. Safety features elevate the PW502 above others. Advanced TOPENS code technology prevents unauthorized access. An adjustable electromagnetism limit switch enhances functionality, while the stop and reverse feature ensures safety during gate operations. You'll love the auto-close feature that secures your property post-departure, plus the soft start and stop function that prolongs motor life. One minor issue lies with the power supply options. While you must use the included DPS 180-U to connect directly to electricity, exploring solar or battery options can boost your system's flexibility. Overall, the TOPENS PW502 impresses with reliability and smart features. Interested? Check it out to enhance your property's security effortlessly. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, GC Ghost Control Solar Automatic Gate. Opener, our pick for best automatic gate opener overall. Looking for an efficient solution to automate your driveway? Look no further than the GC Ghost Control Solar Automatic Gate Opener. This product stands out as the best automatic gate opener overall, combining reliability, convenience, and eco-friendliness. One major perk is the DIY capability. Installing this opener doesn't require an engineering degree. You only need basic tools. This makes it accessible for homeowners who need a straightforward setup. Plus, tube gate brackets ensure a secure fit, making your installation process a breeze. Another highlight comes from its solar power functionality. By utilizing energy from the sun, you enjoy reduced electricity bills while helping the environment. Feel free to expand your solar setup to 30 watts, providing even greater flexibility. Remote access makes life even easier. With a range of 1,000 feet, controlling your gate from afar is practical. Imagine coming home with your hands full, and a single button press opens your gate. Convenience like this simplifies everyday tasks. However, there is a slight caveat. A 12-volt battery isn't included in the kit. While some may find this a hassle, it does allow you to choose one that fits your needs perfectly. What I love most about this gate opener is its versatility. Compatible with multiple gate types, it caters to various homeowners. From decorative wood to chain link, it handles them all. Check out the GC Ghost Control Solar Automatic Gate Opener today. You'll discover why it's a favorite among gate automation enthusiasts. So, that wraps up our list of the best automatic gate openers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which automatic gate openers you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.